Hello guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. For today's video guys, mayroon na naman akong ipakita sa inyo na ibang barko. Ayan guys, kita nyo yung barko na yan guys, na container ship. Yan. Kalabas lang din nila yan ng lock guys. Yan. Assisted siya ng isang tugboat. Yan. Sa likod niya yan guys, mayroon din yatang isang tugboat. Ayan guys. Barko to ng CMA CGM guys na company. Yan. Pero kunan muna natin ng pangalan guys, kung anong pangalan ng barko na to, para makalagay tayo ng ship details niya. Kasi kung hindi natin makuha guys yung pangalan niya, wala tayong malagay na details. Yan. Medyo malayo-layo pa siya guys, so hintayin natin makalapit sila dito sa location namin. So yung location kasi namin guys, dito kami sa Antwerp, malapit sa lock, sa may Sandlake. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ito mabasa ko na yung pangalan niya, CMA CGM Sydney. Yan ang pangalan niya guys. So makalagay na tayo ng details. So okay guys, keep on watching guys. Tingnan lang ninyo dyan sa screen yung details niya para malaman nyo kung anong country siya na registered, at saka yung haba niya, ang lapad niya, kung ilang tons yung or TU yung karga niya. Okay guys, keep on watching. Bye.
CMA CGM is a container ship that was built in 2007. And is sailing under the flag of Malta, her carrying. Capacity is 4,300 TEU, and her current draft is reported to be 12.3 meters. Her length overall lower is 264.1 meters, and her width is 32.4 meters.